Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the video editing series. So in the last class we have discussed about the color grade, and now we are going to discuss about that how you can export the video from the Filmora. So what you have to do, simply you have to click on the export. After clicking on the export, so now what you have to do, you have to write the name of the video that you are exporting, and after that you have to select the location here, that where you want to save your location. For example, I want to save that an E drive. You have to select that folder, and after selecting the folder you have the resolution here, and after that you have the options like the default and the custom. If you have saved any preset, you guys can use that. If you want to make changes, you have to click on the setting. Here are three qualities for the video. If you want the video in the good quality, better quality, and the best quality, you don't need to change any option. You have to keep them as they are. If you want to make changes, you can make changes in the frame rate. For example, you can increase the frame rate, or if you want the video in more better quality, you can increase the kbps like 10,000, 15,000, or 20,000. After that you don't need to change any other option, and then you have to press the OK. After pressing the OK, as you can see, this will be the frame rate, and this will be the file size, this will be the file duration, and you can hit the export. The video will be exported. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can export the video. So see you guys in the next video.